the sweatshirt. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Miller Grace, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you and showing you different ways on how to eat healthier, and some tips and tricks and even some recipes that will make your life a lot easier. Let's get into it. Alright, so the biggest number one tip that I'm going to start out with is to cut out processed food. You do not need it. Most of America, and anybody really, they eat processed food and they don't realize how much they're eating it. Like, I worked at a fast food company, like I realize. But you don't realize how much you eat it until you try to cut it out, as it is with everything. But just try to limit it. Say if you eat it like 4 days a week, or maybe even every day. Cut it down like 2 days, cut it down 3 days, cut it down 4 days until you're maybe only eating it once a week. And you'll realize you feel so much better. And then you'll realize you don't crave it as much, because the more you cut out of your diet, the more your body regulates. And you realize that you don't need the high sodium, the high cholesterol, the high fats, unhealthy fats, and all of the sugar and corn syrup that is in soda. So along with the processed foods, cut out soda as well. And if you like it, yeah, still have it. Like, you don't go on a diet, don't restrict yourself, because that just leads to binging and then overeating and then all sorts of not healthy habits. But if you make it a lifestyle, not a diet fad, to eat healthier, to cut out processed food, it'll last so much longer. So get in that mindset of reducing your processed food and reducing your soda intake, and you'll save so much money, trust me, and you'll already feel so much better, your mind health and your physical health. Alright, number 2, don't eat out as much. So even if you aren't eating processed foods as much and you still find yourself spending too much money, or not eating exactly how you want to, look at where you're spending your money and how you're buying your food. So if you notice that you're going out like 3 times a week, or maybe like every single day at lunch you're going out to eat, try instead to buy your food previously that week, like maybe on a Sunday or a Saturday whenever you have time off, and buy your food then for like a whole week, whatever you need, stock up, and pre-make your food. Like meal prep, I cannot stress this enough, meal prep has like saved my life. I haven't started college yet, but telling you now, I'm gonna be meal prepping everything. And it'll take me some time to get used to it. I'd love to document that for y'all. If you wanna see it, please comment down below what you wanna see in New York. I move next week, I'm so excited. But meal prep is very important, like very important. You buy in stock, you buy in bulk, you buy everything like that. And therefore, you don't have to spend time going out, you don't have to spend extra money, you don't have to stress about what you're gonna eat. You're already gonna have it pre-made, you can make your ingredients, you can do all of that. And it's easy, you can Google it, and I have some people that I follow that I'm gonna show you as well that are wonderful, that can help with the meal prep. But if you reduce the amount of times you eat out, and likewise at the same time increase the amount of time you meal prep, big lifesaver there. Alright, tip number 3, which is something I struggle with, is only buy what you need. So main tip for this is do not go to a grocery store when you are hungry. Bad idea, because you will buy everything and you do not need everything. So if you're hungry or you're craving sugar or something, don't go to the grocery store, because you will end up with like 3 packs of Oreos like I do. Don't do it. What I would do is make a list of ingredients that you know you need, kind of meal prep in your head, or you can write all of the recipes down and just meal prep ideas, and you can be like, oh, for each morning I'm gonna make oatmeal, so I'm gonna need these oats, I'm gonna need the fruit, and then you can cross those off as you buy them so you don't buy any extra ingredients. Right, number 4 that I've mentioned already is that you buy in bulk. If you live anywhere near a Costco does a great job of producing bulk items, because you can buy them at a much bigger quantity, usually in less money than buying it in a smaller quantity more times, if that makes sense. So you could buy, let's say, a humongous, like they're usually this big bag of frozen blueberries, and that'll last me for like 2 to 3 weeks to maybe a month, depending on how much I'm using them. And that'll cost more money than buying a small pack of blueberries, but it'll last me so much longer. And eventually, if I kept buying, if you like compare the prices, if I kept buying the small pack of blueberries for the amount of time that I'll keep the big pack, it would be a lot more money. And that also ties to the 5th tip that I have, is to freeze. So buy frozen food, because it is frozen at its prime existence. Like kale, spinach, any fruit, mangoes, bananas, blueberries, anything. Buy them in bulk and buy them frozen, because the nutrition value of a frozen item versus a fresh item has no difference. They're both in their prime, but A, if they're frozen, they won't expire. B, they will last much longer in the freezer than they would out there. Even if they're not expired yet, they will last so much longer. So those are my tips. If you guys have any other tips for me or anything you want to argue about, whatever, comment down below. I would love to hear it. I love studying food and how people eat and how to eat healthier, but also saving money, because that's all what we want to do. We just need to save money, but treat our bodies better, because I believe health is the utmost priority, and there is a healthy balance. There is a healthy balance. All right. So now I'm going to show you guys some people that I follow on Instagram and YouTube, and I have their recipes and their apps or whatever that help me like every single day. They have such fantastic recipes or YouTube channels that I use all the time. And if you guys need some inspiration, because I love some food inspiration, oh my goodness, I love baking, I love making anything. If you want some inspiration or some photos or some cute YouTube videos, they make great ones. I will show you who I follow. All right, first we have Maddie Limburner on Instagram. She has a YouTube channel as well, and she is the best. She has amazing recipes. She has another Instagram channel and YouTube channel called Mad Fit, just MADFIT, Mad Fit, which has fitness workouts, but that was Vampire Diaries, amazing. She has all of these like healthy bowls and stuff. She is amazing. Highly recommend. So Ella has founded a company called Deliciously Ella. She has a whole bunch of like protein balls, all of these amazing things. But she also has an amazing app. It is only 99 cents a month, which is great pricing. And she has incredible recipes, smoothie recipes that are highly recommendable and so delicious. So I highly recommend her app. I have 5-Second Health. So she has really fast Instagram videos. She also has a YouTube channel about recipes, and they're so delicious, also plant-based. And she has amazing smoothie recipes such as this one, which looks so good. So check her out as well. And if you like really beautifully planned aesthetic Instagrams, Plant You is perfect. She has all of these posts that are so beautiful, like the salads and the bowls that have the ingredients and little photos. I think it is the cutest thing how she organizes all her Instagram. But she is plant-based, and she loves to help others eat plant-based as well. I highly recommend that type of lifestyle and the health that it promotes, and you guys should totally follow her. She has amazing recipes. Alright, and after that I will tell you how to make some delicious recipes. So first, one of the die-hard recipes that I always make, and it always works, is overnight oats. It is so easy. All you do is get a cup of oats, double the amount. You can either do water, I usually do almond milk, it's a great consistency. You can also do oat milk, soy milk, whatever, but almond milk is the best one. So you would get like a cup of oats if you're on a huge serving, but usually a half a cup of oats, a cup of almond milk, and what I love to do is to do like a tablespoon of chia seeds because of the omega-3 and fiber, and then do a cut up banana. You can do a half a banana and then freeze the other half, or the whole banana if you want it. Put that in there as well, because if you let the bananas soak up overnight, it becomes like banana oats, if you like banana it's really good. If you don't, that's fine, skip this part. You can also put raisins in it, which add a little sodium, which is so good. Oh my goodness. And then you add a tablespoon of maple syrup as well for a little sweet. Or you can do half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, I forgot what it's called. Half a teaspoon of that, which just makes it a little vanilla oats. You can literally do any single combination you want. There are so many. Of any of the Instagrammers that I just showed you about, all of them promote overnight oats, and they have so many recipes. You can do cinnamon, maple pecan, you can do like banana bread, you can do cranberry oat, you can do like endless possibilities, guys. You could do like 6 overnight oat bowls in your fridge and then just take them out every single day. Like, amazing. Easy breakfast. Buy the oats in bulk and you're good to go. All right, the other thing is super easy vegetable salads. What I love to do is, as my choice of protein, do like black beans or chickpeas because they're both delicious and affordable, easy, just buy a can. And then buy some iceberg lettuce, romaine, spinach, or kale, whatever is your fancy. Buy some avocado. Avocado is more of an expensive vegetable, but buy like 1 or 2 a week and then you're good. Then I also add some like carrots, whatever is in season, either carrots or cucumber or tomatoes. I love tomatoes, which is so funny. I think how your tastes change. I used to hate tomatoes, but now I love them. Good form of acids and vitamin C's for your digestion and your gut health, very important. Drink your kombucha. And just easy vegetable salads. Just add your protein and add your fiber. You want to make sure you're eating enough. A lot of people on a plant-based diet don't eat enough, and I eat everything. I don't know how people don't eat enough because I eat everything. It's fine. And another very easy way to make healthy, affordable foods is smoothies. I recommend a NutriBullet if you do not have a blender because it is affordable compared to like a Vitamix, which is insanely expensive. Amazing, but insanely expensive. So a NutriBullet, and they come with books sometimes. You can find them online, or any of the Instagrammers I showed you all have smoothie recipes that are amazing. But smoothies are amazing way to get the amount, like if you don't drink enough vegetables, or you don't eat enough vegetables or fruits, putting them in your smoothies is the easiest way, I swear, to fix that problem. And you can add like vegan vanilla protein powder, which is amazing, or cacao, or vanilla extract, or bananas, which is frozen bananas, makes the perfect ice cream consistency. It is so good. Or you add peanut butter, carrots, you can add kale, you don't even taste it. And that is the easiest way to get the nutrients and every single thing that your body needs. But thank you for watching this video. If you would like more informative videos like this or more food videos, I'd love to give you those videos. As I am moving next week, it'll be a little hectic, but hopefully my next video might be in New York. I'm so excited. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe down below if you want to get some New York content soon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.